sir, considering the considering the flow of atmosphere, rainfall pattern changes, sir. Yeah, yes,
India, in the context of our country, you tell which part of the country receives maximum rainfall?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, India receives maximum rainfall, so southeast monsoon rains. So Kerala receives the first rainfall during the monsoon season. Sir, then that air flows through eastern part of our Indian peninsula, and sir, northeastern part of India receives maximum highest amount of rainfall.
Why Rajasthan becomes a desert?
Sir, as the moisture laden air passes from eastern zone towards the mainland India, sir, the moisture content gradually decreases, and also the low pressure zone becomes high pressure zone because of the rains. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sorry, sir.
Unless there is Aravalli rains.
Yes, sir.
Rajasthan desert will not be.
Yes, sir.
That is the important.
Yes.
Aravalli works.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sure.
So, second thing, what are the things coming on the rain shadow? Which part of the South India and Karnataka and Maharashtra, which parts come rain shadow?
Sir, yes, sir. The regions which receives less rainfall is known as rain shadow areas, sir. Sir, so accordingly, sir, eastern part of
you start from south because we receive first monsoon.
Yes, sir.
From the south.
Southwest monsoon.
It hits the western Ghat.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And then immediate neighborhoods.
Then, sir, we have Karnataka and Maharashtra, sir.
What about Tamil Nadu?
Sir,
Tamil Nadu receives less rainfall.
Yes, sir. Sir, actually, southwest monsoon bifurcates into two parts. One moves towards the west and one moves towards the east. Karnataka receives rainfall because of western bifurcation of southwest monsoon. So, sir, the part which receives, which sides on the rain shadow side is the eastern part of what is on Karnataka. Sorry, sir.
Okay.
I'm not confused.
About the highest rainfall rains,
Yes, sir.
moderate, semi-area.
Yes, sir.
Maximum wet region la kete ବର୍ଷା kete rainfall hosi kete centimeter ba mm ବର୍ଷା.
Sir, it is around roughly around 250 centimeters.
How big is it? Okay, sir. 2000.
Yes. Okay.
And moderate regions like Odisha, Bengal.
Sir, it is around 150 to 170 centimeters.
Yes. 122. 100. Anyway. Water table question कौन?
So, water table is the amount of or level of water present somewhere in a region. We can define as that water table.
Oh, what do you mean by groundwater? Groundwater.
Sir,
surface water kuda groundwater.
Surface water is what we get on the surface, like sir, pond. But groundwater is what we.
Other sources of surface water.
Sir, river.
Yes.
Ocean.
Yes. Lake.
Yes, sir.
Yes. What are groundwater?
Sir, groundwater is what we get below the ground, sir.
Groundwater, how groundwater is preserved? Mechanics.
Sir, actually, sir, primary reason is rainfall. When it rains, the water seeps through the soil and it gets collected above the non-porous layer, and it is collected there, and we receive that water through borewell and or well. And sir, another way underground water is collected is because of the earth crust. So in some layers we have underground water storage. Since yes sir.
When there is there.
Yes sir.
Water is soaked.
Yes sir. Yes sir. Yes sir. Yeah, yes sir. Yes sir.
So water is collected over the impervious rocks.
Yes sir. Yes sir.
Groundwater.
Yes sir.
And we get it through both.
Yes sir. Yes sir.
And saturation point, saturation line. That line is connected with river or lake.
Yes sir.
That line is connected.
Thank you sir. Thanks.
Pollutant, what are the pollutants?
Sir, any particle which is harmful for the living being is we can consider it as.
Some example.
Sir, carbon monoxide, nitrous oxide, or aerosol particles. Sir, this can be considered as pollutants.
Any other things?
Sorry.
Apart from the approach to receive these pollutants.
Sir, there can be natural causes for pollutants like from volcano eruptions. Then, sir, man-made causes from combustion or burning of fuels. Then, sir, we have chemical pollutants from what chemical water is being released in rivers and oceans. From there also we can get pollution.
How air gets polluted? What is the source of pollution of air?
Sir, microparticles are a major source of pollution.
Vehicular pollution.
Yes, sir.
Pollution due to industry.
Yes, sir.
Due to mines.
Yes, sir.
These are the measures. Then volcanic eruption, wind erosion also.
Yes.
So there will be dust. Have you heard PM10 and PM2.5 particulate matter 10?
Yes, sir.
2.5.
Yes,
what
sir.
is that particulate matter?
So it is the size of the particle present in the atmosphere.
10
Sir, size is bigger.
10 unit account.
Sorry, sir.
PM10
Yes, sir.
centimeter, millimeter, micron,
Sorry, sir. Right.
that is micrometer.
Yes.
Because
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
PM10, PM2.5.
Yes,
It
sir.
is a dangerous number of alarms.
Yes, sir.
So, I am sorry that pura Bhubaneswar machine level in different parts. Continuous ambient air quality parameters.
Yes, sir.
CAQS machine से बोला गया जल्दी. जितने जना बोलो PM10 कितने PM2.5 तब कितने रहेगा? 24 hours average कितने रहेगा? PM10, PM2.5 plus sulfur dioxide. Any idea on that?
No, sir. Sorry. Yes, sir.
Sir, बताओ.
ALISHA, you are quite good in geography. So I have no expertise in geography. I think by and large, since it is your SU paper,
Yes, sir.
just tighten it up a little bit.
Yes. Sure.
Just tighten it a bit. I'll ask you a couple of questions on different areas.
Yes, sir.
First, let me start with current events.
Yes, sir.
One of the current events is this lock-up amendment bill. You know?
Yes, sir.
So, what is this bill and why it has come to the CDTC?
Sir, I'm not very much thorough with the bill, but yes, sir. So broadly, I know that it majorly involves the Muslim community, and if any land or any area is if it comes under the Waqf Act, then it cannot be sold further.
again something else. What are the changes they have made? In the Work of Act of 1995,
Yes, sir.
the Muslim members of
Yes.
the board, they had full freedom
Hmm.
in managing whatever charities were coming with them, whatever land and gifts were coming with them, and distributing it.
Yes, sir.
So the government has made some changes in this act.
Yes, sir.
So what are the major changes? Just read it quickly.
Yes,
You
sure.
see major changes there.
Yes.
First thing what they have made is that they are bringing women
Hmm.
and non-Muslims
Hmm.
as members of the workforce.
Yes. Yes,
That
sir.
is why there is a lot of resistance to this under. Secondly, the collector,
Hmm.
district collector, will have power of supervision
Yes.
and in the matter of disposal of
Hmm.
property, land, and so he will have a big say. He just go through the work of.
Yes,
There's
sir.
something called the unified council scheme that also once come.
Yes.
You have any idea about what this scheme is? What is it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I guess.
Since you are a girl, I mean, you know about the horrific crime which took place in Calcutta.
Yes,
So
sir.
many people say that we need to change the laws.
Yes, sir.
So can you tell me what is the existing law to deal with such crimes?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
There is a law in place
Yes, sir.
which is supposed to guard girls and women
Hmm.
in workplace.
Hmm.
When they are working in the workplace, there is a law
Hmm.
which gives them coverage. What is that?
Sorry, sir. I cannot remember it as of now.
This is the law which was promulgated in 2013.
Sorry, sir.
This is about, this sexual harassment of women
Yes.
in public places. Prevention of sexual
Yes, sir.
harassment in public places. This is the 2013 Act.
Yes.
See, they're most likely they'll ask you some questions on this.
Yes, sir.
Suppose they ask you that women's safety has become a very major issue.
Yes, sir.
If you are asked, what are the major suggestions you would like to offer for improving women's safety in the workplace? Give me some very specific recommendations.
Sir, if we see women's safety, especially in workplace, sir, I think workplace should be made women friendly, first of all. There are many cases, and even I have seen institutions where even women faces difficulty in using the bathroom.
Okay.
So, sir, these are primary things that it should be taken care of. And sir, beyond that, in many cases, sir, recently I have read one article which said that a particular female person pursuing PhD was facing assault from her senior.
There was a committee recently, but the report was there, which is creating a lot of commotion. The EMA committee. EMA committee.
Yes, sir.
Have you heard about it?
This
is about Kerala, the film industry.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So there, the Justice EMA committee has said she has brought out how junior lady artists are being harassed, asked for sexual favors by very prominent film directors, So she also has brought out how they don't have proper bathrooms, proper change rooms. So basically exploitation of women.
Yes, sir.
So prepare yourself because they may ask you very concrete people. Just go through that mention of
Sexual
harassment of women in workplace 2013.
Yes, sir.
It started with the judgment. Which is the judgment? Can you tell me? The Visakha Rani judgment, Visakha guidelines in 1997.
Okay, sir.
You know that case, Visakha case?
Uh,
I
guess so. I guess so.
When you are a girl,
Yes,
so
sir.
quite likely they will ask you.
Yes.
So if we come out from current events, something in economics, what do you understand by financial inclusion? When I say what is financial inclusion?
Sir, it is capacity of an individual to economically support.
Financial inclusion in the context of the country. Financial inclusion is a policy of the government.
Yes, sir.
And there is a big program for that. Can you tell me what is the program? Jan Dhan program?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What is the objective of the program?
Sir, the main objective was to connect maximum of the population to bank.
So that's the Jan Dhan program. So that's the scope for financial inclusion.
Yes, sir.
So what is financial consolidation? When I talk of financial, what is financial?
Sorry, sir, I don't know.
Financial consolidation is you try to bring down the fiscal deficit. That's
Yes,
what
sir.
we do first. Can you explain what is a budget? If I have to ask you to define a budget, how you?
Sir, budget can be defined as the total expenditure a country has approximated for a particular financial year. Can be.
Only expenditure, only a statement of expenditure only. Is it a statement of expenditure only, or also of receipts? It's a financial statement of total
Expenditure and receipts. Yes, sir.
Really?
Yes, sir.
So it is a difference.
Yes,
There is
sir.
a difference between the two, which will be your receipt.
Yes, sir.
Total expenditure minus total receipt would be your first deficit.
Yes.
What are the various types of receipts that the government has? Any idea?
No, sir.
So direct taxes, you understand? Direct taxes, GST,
Yes, sir.
you understand? Just cross up a little bit, these basic things on the budget,
Yes, sir.
Odisha budget,
Yes.
union budget,
Mm.
and we go through, and
Yes,
we go
sir.
through them and make small points.
Yes.
You don't have to be an expert in budget.
Yes, sir.
If somebody asks you what are the defining features of Odisha budget,
Yes, sir.
supposing I ask you what are the three important things in the Odisha budget, what would you say?
Sir, I'm not.
I'm purposely asking you because in the board,
Yes, sir.
there would be professor in economics.
Yes, sir.
She'll 100% ask the basic things.
Yes.
And though you are not an economics student, but this is the minimum expectation of you. What do you understand by positive discrimination?
Sir, positive discrimination is that kind of discrimination when a particular group of are benefited through that discrimination.
Which is the article which talks of positive discrimination in institution? Any particular article which talks of positive discrimination?
Yes, sir. Sir, Article 19.
Library is freedom.
Article 15 is there, sir.
15
15 and 16.
and 16.
Yes.
What is 16? What are the provisions in Article 16? Article 16 is right to equality in matters of employment, public employment.
Yes,
But
sir.
there are certain exceptions, which we call as positive discrimination.
Yes, sir.
What is positive? What do you understand the positive discrimination?
Sir, when discrimination is done,
Why is
bas-
discrimination done?
uh,
Why are you discriminating some people? Vis-a-vis others?
sir, for example, sir, in certain sectors, if women are not getting benefits of certain schemes, sir, in that case, discrimination is done so that women are at par with men in that
Good answer,
sector.
very good answer. But that is not what Article 16 talks about.
Yes.
Article 16 doesn't deal about women's.
Yes, sir. Huh.
Basically, positive discrimination means we are trying to help out a certain section of society to be at par with the mainstream.
Yes.
If certain sections of society, like the scheduled caste, the scheduled tribe,
Yes, sir.
the OBCs, they are lagging behind the other general caste categories. So if I am giving a reservation for these people, so I am doing positive discrimination. Positive discrimination, the whole idea is to bring everybody at par.
Yes, sir.
Have you understood?
Yes.
So the example that you gave is absolutely right. Say for instance, there is a plan to give 33% reservation to women in the parliament and the legislature.
Legislative.
So again, that's a objective. Like we have done for Panchayat. We have already done that.
Yes, sir.
It's 50% is reserved for women. So
Yes,
that's
sir.
again a case of positive discrimination. But Article 16 doesn't talk about women's reservation. It talks about reservation for SC, ST.
Yeah.
And there is another last reservation which was given in 2019. What is that reservation that was given? EWS.
Yes, sir. EWS. The weaker section.
Society.
Yes,
What
sir.
does it say? What does the article say?
Sir, it says that people from weaker, financially weaker background, but who belong to mainstream society, they are given reservation.
What is the income criteria?
Sir, that is below 6 lakh.
8 lakhs.
Yes.
Those who are below 8 lakhs, annual income of 8 lakhs, will be given 10% reservation, even if they are from
General category.
your articulation is very good. You articulate extremely well. But I
Thank
think
you,
you
sir.
need to improve on your dictate and presentation.
Yes.
Otherwise, I mean, your communication skills are excellent. But
Communication is good, energy level is also good. आपके
comment cheerful.